Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to stop auto download of videos and images in WhatsApp. As we all receive hundreds of WhatsApp messages every day and majority of that messages are videos and images which we need to delete later as it kills lot of mobile space. So it's better to stop auto download option in WhatsApp, which I am going to show you in this video. So open your WhatsApp. Now in WhatsApp, press on three dots. Now press on settings. In settings, press on data and storage. Now here under media auto download, press on when connected on Wi-Fi. Here deselect all the options. Now press on OK. Now press on when use mobile data. Here photo download is only selected. So deselect all the options and press OK. Now press on when in roaming. Now in roaming all the options are deselected. So this is all you need to do to stop auto download of video and images in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.